What up, everybody? So, you might have heard about people who ordered their Poco phones and ended up receiving empty boxes or even junk foods. So, on this video, I'll be giving you tips on how to deal with these issues. So, the first thing that we need to do is to at least buy from a reputable online store. These are the things that you need to look out for. Number one is the store's ratings. Number two, if it's the official online store. And third, you may need to check if they're part of Laz Mall or Lazada's official mall or Shopee Mall. So if one of these things check out, it means that their store is legit. So the second part is payment. There are a number of ways for us to pay for our orders. It can be through cash on delivery, credit cards, debit cards, etc. Most of the time, you'll get awesome deals and discounts if you opt into paying for your orders first. So here's how it goes. If you paid first and you receive the wrong item, well, the only way to get your money back is to either file a refund request or a dispute. The turnaround time can take days, even weeks, depending on the seller, your mode of payment, and depending if the investigation has already been completed. And by the way, if you've selected, Lazada wallet or Shopee Pay, a refund request can be instantaneous as long as the seller has already approved your request. And now, if you have opted for cash on delivery, the best thing about it is you can actually inspect the package first and decline if you feel that the package has already been tampered. Third is receiving the package. So if you've opted to paying for your order first, well, it is a must to do an unboxing video, even more if you do it while the delivery guy is still with you. You will use this as an evidence when you file for your refund or dispute request. So, for people who have selected cash on delivery, now what you can do is inspect for the package if it has been tampered or if it has been opened already or resealed. Also, check if the package is, suspiciously heavy or light. Unfortunately, we can only open the package after we have paid for it. This is in strict compliance with both of the store's cash on delivery policy. So, how would you know if there's still a phone inside the package? Well, you might need an x ray machine or a simple weighing scale will actually do. We as a community can actually share this information, specifically the gross weight of the package. Like, let's say this Poco F3 package actually weighs at around 637 grams, while the Poco X3 Pro that actually weighed 635 grams. So it's a bit similar. So if they switch the package or remove the phone, then you can actually tell if there's still a phone inside, right? It's just so easy. So if anyone has already received their package, it's really going to help us a lot if you would share that small detail. Also, this weighing scale is dirt cheap. It only costs 100 pesos or less. But remember, this will only work with cash on delivery. If you opted to paying for the item first, you don't have any choice but to receive the package and hope and pray that our orders have not been stolen. So, is it safe to order online? Yeah, a big yes, 100%. We buyers are actually protected by both Shopee and Lazada. And in the event that we encounter any issues with our orders, as long as we have evidence, we will be getting our money back. All right, to summarize, number one, always buy from legit stores. Number two, always do unboxing videos. And number three, like, and subscribe to my channel to receive more contents like this. So anyways, that's the end of our video. If you have any questions or whatnot, just comment it down below, and I'll be more than happy to respond to those questions. So again, this is Ian. Ciao.